NICOLINI'S Law Firm Damages, My Experience, Part 9. June and July 2018. This was after I was fired in May 2018. Okay, thank you. June 27, 2018. Received copy of letter from WSIAT to NICOLINI'S Law Firm. It stated medical documents from my treating documents were required, and NICOLINI'S Law Firm was given 2 months to retrieve the documents. I would think this is now 2018. I retained this lawyer in April 2017, so it's now over a year. And I was denied twice by WSIB, and I was sent to the tribunal, which is WSIAT. And since I was fired from my job, they still have not received any medical documents to prove that my injury actually occurred at work. Okay, please feel free to pause and read as I go along. Thank you. Here's a letter, June 2018, and it says, and they needed existing copies of medical documentation, from my family doctor and also from Great Lakes Medical, the walk-in clinic. Okay. As you can see, it was sent to ADRIAN NICOLINI on June 2018, and I was copied in on it. Okay. Also, Bell's lawyer, Mr. Hussein Muftaderi, was copied in. Okay. Please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. June 27th, as I brought this again to your attention, I here outline WSAB lawyer on April 10, 2017, the lawyer pretended to be on my side during my ordeal with MANULIFE insurance. Okay. He responded on my behalf. Lawyer was aware of the disappearance of medical doctors, however, told that he would not be involved. I thought that maybe he declined to assist because he was a WSIB lawyer. Okay. When my job was threatened in November 2017, I reported Dr. Sam Anderson, specialist, who agreed with MANULIFE that I should return to work to use my left hand, and also stated in his report that the swelling was gone, and also Sneha Simon, as I've done in my previous presentations, right? The physiotherapist who stated that my hand was feeling better after the first 20 minutes. All this, you see, ADRIAN NICOLINI was aware. I told him. Okay. ADRIAN NICOLINI asked that I forwarded a complaint report to him, right? Which he would include in his case if I won the claims put forth to the colleges. Okay. So he didn't want to be involved, but he asked me to send them, which I did. Okay. Since I was still within the 2 years, I did not question the lawyer on why there was a delay. He was given 2 months to provide a medical reports for the doctors as requested by WSIB on June 27, 2018. Received a month after my termination from work. Okay. Yeah. I didn't want to, be upset or anything, because I'm thinking that he should have provided the medical documents, but I remain calm. I said, okay, let him do his job, Yeah. So I said he was given 2 months, so okay, all is well. That's what I thought. Okay. Brought this forward again. The lawyer must have been aware. As per law, it says here, WSIB, a Form 8. The physicians did not provide a Form 8 as they are mandated by the legislation. I'm sure you can see that. Okay. This is the Form 8. Please feel free to read. I have dealt with it in other presentations. Okay. NICOLIN'S Law Firm and WSIT activities during the year 2018. Okay. The suspension of my WSIB claim, October to December 2018. I went through this already. I was sidelined by NICOLIN'S Law Firm. ADRIAN NICOLINI pretended all along to be my WSIB lawyer. Please feel free to pause and read. I've already been through this. Okay. I thought actually this lawyer was on my side. I actually thought so. So on October 9th, after the 2 months, and based off this letter, the information is here. Okay. My claim has been suspended because ADRIAN NICOLINI as you can see, is addressed to him, had failed to provide the medical documents to WSIAT. Okay, and they even stated in the letter to him that yes, they have tried to contact his office. They have spoken to ASHLYN STEELE, okay, and also left messages, and there's been no response. So, as per WSIT, which they have placed in the letter here, it even means that it actually happened. The NICOLINI'S law gave them a hard time actually, because they failed to return calls, failed to comply in providing my medical documents to them, as you can see here. Okay, please feel free to pause and read. Existing medical documents, initial integment of right thumb, deck of intensinovitis, and please feel free to pause and read if you can. Okay, thank you. And here, on October 30th, 2018, it says on October 9th, this appeal was placed in inactive status to allow Mr. Nicolini time to obtain and submit the following medical information. Existing copies of the medical document regarding Miss Grant, November 6, 2016, visit to Great Lakes. Just let you know that I did not visit Great Lakes on September. Did I say November? September 6th, right? I did not attend Great Lakes Medical. I went to Dr. James Chang at Humber River Hospital church site on September 6th. That's when I presented the doctor's note. Okay, please feel free to pause and read. I've brought this forward again as proof that I saw Dr. James Chang, my family doctor, on September 6, 2016, and not Great Lakes Medical's doctor. Okay, thank you. Appointment made with NICOLINI'S law firm for October 31st, 2018. Reason for the appointment, WSIB, right? Rose, an injured worker at Bell Mobility from my department, okay, had requested to see my lawyer, re-advise on her injury. And the appointment was made prior to my knowledge that my WSIB claim was suspended, okay? I did not tell Rose when I became aware, but okay, the appointment was made before, and I thought of using that opportunity also to find out from the lawyer why, okay? But this appointment was mainly for Rose, okay? As I have stated prior, the appointment on October 31st was not for me, it was for my co-worker. And I have proof, and I will get to that in another presentation, okay? Proof that I accompanied my co-worker on October 31st. I only took the opportunity on that day because the appointment was made prior to my knowledge that my WSIB claim was suspended. Did not inform Rose, but I took the opportunity to ask Adrian Nicolini on that day, right? I asked when she was my co-worker Rose was out of the room, I asked about my suspended WSIB claim, but was told they would take care of it. That's it. That's all. Can you imagine? No explanation on why the medical reports from the doctors were not provided. Nothing. They would take care of it, right? There are other information here. This was now October. I got fired since May 24th, and I have not signed a contract regarding my wrongful dismissal or long-term disability, but I'll get to that in another presentation. But here now, also this docket sheet, I'll get to it in another presentation. I just brought this forward because on 31st of October, it's there as if I had made plans, I had made appointment with this lawyer, and I did not make any appointment with this lawyer on October 31st. This October 31st date was for Rose, yet this is just false information on this docket sheet, all this made up information, but I will get to it in another presentation. But just letting you know that Yes, I was at his office on October 31st, but it was for my coworker Rose. Please feel free to pause and review. Thank you. At the appointment on October 31st, 2018, right, Adrian NICOLINI did not provide an answer as the reason why my claim was suspended, all right? I left his office dissatisfied. I did not inform my coworker Rose. During the meeting, however, I found this very interesting. During the meeting, Adrian NICOLINI informed Rose, remember, Adrian NICOLINI is my WSIB lawyer, right? He informed Rose in my presence. I guess he forgot. He didn't tell me. He informed Rose that insurance companies pay doctors a certain percentage to fail patients. Go figure, right? All along, I had informed Adrian NICOLINI on several occasions of the mistreatment of MANULIFE insurance and the medical doctors, but was told he did not wish to be involved. Now you know, now you realize why I lost my job, eh? My WSIB lawyer never divulged such information until he met with my coworker Rose, right? And here, I didn't hear anything regarding my my medical documents or anything. So this is November 9, 2018. I emailed ASHLYN, all right? I emailed ASHLYN to let her know, right? I've been calling her. I said, I hope all is well. I have to wait until I receive assistance to send email, right? I called your office on Thursday because my hand was still swollen and all that. So I had to wait until I got assistance with this. And I told her that I've been calling, right? And the receptionist and advised by the receptionist that you were currently on a call. I left a message for you to contact me after the call had ended, but I have not heard from you. I made several attempts on Friday, November 2nd to contact your office, but was unsuccessful. Please be advised that I received another letter from WSIB on October 31st, 2018, informing that the walk-in clinic did not have any record of my attendance to the clinic on September 6, 2016, right? And I let her know I was trying to contact you to clarify the dates, which was already provided in the records at your office. They got everything. Okay. However, I thought that there was some misunderstanding of the dates given to WSIB. Right, and as you can see, I told about my initial visits and all that, and I provided the correct dates. Please feel free to pause and read. Thank you.